All right, so anyway, I was looking for the cheapest AC on here, and I found this. I found this page here. It's called RovoSun, 12,000 BTU, 3-in-1, blah blah blah. When you get it, you're going to notice. Look, it's not made by this company. It's called Zocop. All right, let me just go through these. Look, here is what you get with it. All right, let me find the page with it. All right, here's what you get with it. Notice the collar on this, and notice all of these things here, and the way uh, this um, this window sleeve is. This window sleeve is 26.5 inches. There's two of them, so you don't get the full 26 on the second one. It's got a little lock there, and it fits on that collar. But check that out. So this, they're advertising this for $269, but look over here, $79.99 delivered. All right, now you get it right away. I didn't notice that. So actually, it cost you another 80 bucks. So you're looking at 350 bucks for this AC unit here. All right. So now let's go. I'm going to show you almost the exact same one, right? It was $279. I'm trying to find it now. Can't believe I can't find it. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. This might be the same thing. Let me see. All right, yeah. So if you look, this one's $259, all right? And it's even cheaper, and it's free delivery. And it's got the same, everything else on here looks the exact same. So this one's a better deal, right? But it's got a different name, but it looks the exact same as the one that I purchased, and that they got me for the extra 80 bucks. You follow me? This one's got an app on it. The other one didn't. So this one's better. So if you're going to buy one, I would go with this one here and try that one out, because you're going to get it for $259, number one. And you're going to get it for free delivery. All right, so there's your code right there. So you can go ahead and zoom in on that and lock that in. That's the one you want to get. All right. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.